Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the image you'll use. Pick a high-resolution file so details stay sharp. Once done, confirm the file type. JPG or PNG works universally, because some systems reject hike. Make sure orientation matches the device. Landscape for desktops and laptops, portrait for phones. Also, crop or resize now to 1920 x 1080 or the exact screen resolution to avoid stretching. This first step saves time later, because you'll now apply the wallpaper and tune how it fits. Open Display or Wallpaper settings and select Set as Wallpaper, then pick the fit mode, Fill, Fit, Stretch, Center, or Tile, because each handles edges differently. Once chosen, adjust position and scale so the subject isn't cropped out. Use Preview to test on lock and home screens. Make sure to check multiple resolutions if you sync between devices, since auto-scaling can shift composition and ruin the intended look. Finish by saving your choice and confirming the wallpaper appears correctly across all displays. Lock the device and inspect for alignment, color shift, or pixelation. If colors look off, convert the image to the sRGB profile. This standard prevents unexpected shifts, then reapply. If the image is stretched, match its resolution to the screen resolution exactly and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: clear any wallpaper cache or restart the device when changes don't appear. This often forces the system to refresh the image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.